This GreenPan Chatham Prime Midnight Hard Anodized Skillet is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a healthy ceramic nonstick surface. This means your food will slide right off. Plus, it is free of harmful PFAS chemicals. You can cook your favorite recipe without worry. The 8-inch size is perfect for eggs or a single serving of fish. The hard anodized aluminum body is very strong. It resists scratches and stands up to daily use. The pan is also oven safe. This gives you more cooking options. You can start your dish on the stovetop and finish it in the oven. Cleaning is also a breeze. The GreenPan Chatham Prime Midnight Hard Anodized is dishwasher safe. This makes after meal cleanup quick and easy. Overall, this GreenPan Chatham Prime Midnight Hard Anodized frying pan is a reliable choice. It offers healthy cooking and easy cleanup. Its durable design is a compliment to any cook. While I don't have status alerts for price drops, it's worth keeping an eye on. You might find a great deal. This pan could be the solution you need for everyday cooking. For anyone looking for a dependable nonstick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: nonstick surface, healthy cooking, PFAS free, easy cleanup, dishwasher safe, oven safe. Durable material, hard anodized, good size. 8-inch. Sleek black color. Cons: sticking can occur, handles get hot, coating may chip, non-stick fades, cleaning issues. Poor quality, doesn't last, scratches easy, not durable, overpriced features. GreenPan Chatham Prime Midnight Hard Anodized, healthy ceramic, nonstick, skillet. PFAS free, dishwasher safe. This GreenPan Chatham Prime Midnight Skillet is an 8-inch frying pan. It has a nonstick coating made with healthy ceramic that does not have PFAS. The pan is made with hard metal, is black, and can go in the dishwasher. It can also be used in the oven. This pan is part of the Chatham Prime Midnight series from GreenPan. This GreenPan Chatham Prime Midnight frying pan has a non-stick surface for healthy cooking without PFAS. It's easy to clean and can go in the dishwasher and oven. The pan is made of strong material called hard anodized aluminum and is an 8-inch size with a black color. However, some people have found that food can stick. The handle can get hot, the coating might chip, and the non-stick quality could fade over time. Some users also had trouble cleaning it and felt it wasn't very good quality or long-lasting for the price, noting it could scratch easily and wasn't very strong.